guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to show you what I got in my May Ipsy package. So that is pretty much what today's video is going to be about. But I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of, good vibes, good things that have been happening in my life. If you don't know who I am, my name is Diana. This is my channel. Welcome. I hope that you subscribe and like this video and make sure to leave a comment. And of course, click that little bell. That is going to notify you every time I upload a video. So if you really like this video and you want to see more, you should do that. You should really click that bell. Welcome to my living room, my big red couch that I just got. I'm very excited. It was a graduation gift from my boyfriend's aunt. She got us this beautiful red couch that's very comfortable. I am so excited to have company over and everything like that. So I decided to film on it because I'm just so in love with it that I was like, you know what? Let me just film with it. And show it off a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But if you do like my red couch and you do like my videos on my red couch, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If not, I'll get the backdrop and do that all over again. Moving forward, I'm very excited to talk to you guys about. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm very excited to tell you guys that last week I actually graduated college. So last week I received my bachelor's degree. This is my second degree. My first degree was my associate's degree that I received from Nassau Community College, and this is my bachelor's degree in childhood education that I received just 1 week ago. So I am so proud of this. I have to show it off because it was a lot of hard work and dedication and sleepless nights and nights crying and nights thinking that I wasn't going to make it, but I made it. I worked my butt off and I got through it, so I'm very excited about that. And if you stay tuned to this video, I'm going to give you guys a glimpse, a little something from my graduation, plus I'm going to show you my graduation cap. So if you want to see all of that good stuff, definitely click that subscribe button. One more time for the people in the back who didn't hear me, click that little notification bell, that little bell that you see, click it. And of course, comment and like this video. I hope you really like it. So enough chatting and gibberish and all that good stuff. Let's move on. This is my May Ipsy package. I'm opening it before May ends. It's literally Memorial Day right now, so I have a little bit of free time and I decided to open up my package. So this is it. This is May, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did already open this. I had to swatch this eyeshadow that I got in. And I can't wait to show you guys, but let's pretend this is my first time opening this. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up again, and let's see what we got. So, the glam bag for the month of May is this bag right here. Their theme for May was travel. I'm basically inspired by travel, so this has a bunch of stamps from passport stamps on it all over the bag. The back of the bag is this peach color with Ipsy on the bottom, and when you open the bag, the first thing that's in this bag is, the first thing that's in the bag, the first thing I'm going to pull out is this mini matte blur stick. I do not know how to pronounce this brand, so if you do, please let me know. I think it's Trastiq. I don't know, but I tried. So this is a mini blur stick, and basically you use this stick to blur any imperfections on your face, like a pimple or something like that, before you put your foundation on. So I will be using this. And then the next item that I got is by Ven Effect. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ven Effect. This is an exfoliant. It says that it's an ultra fine exfoliant with grapeseed, soy, pomegranate, and willow bark. It gently removes dead skin cells, helps keep skin clear and radiant, hydrates, and improves skin tone. So this is something that I will definitely be using. And then the next item that I got in my bag, which this is the one that I was excited about because I haven't received a really nice eyeshadow from Ipsy just yet. But I think that this one is definitely something that I'm going to be using. It is by Pop Goes the Shadow by Elizabeth Moth. The color is Mermaid Teal. So you can already imagine what color's under here. It's 1.5 grams, so it's a decent size. And this is what it looks like. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna swatch it for you, which obviously I already swatched it, but I wanna show you guys what it looks like on camera. Love it. We'll be using it especially for the summer. Okay, so another item that I got that I'm very excited about is this Huda Beauty lip contour. I am obsessed with Huda Beauty. It's the foundation that I use almost every day. I switch it up sometimes, but Huda Beauty is my go-to. I also really love their eyeshadow palettes, and they recently just came out with a new one, which I'm like, well, it's not a new one, it's a revamped eyeshadow palette. I'm considering it, even though I don't have the money for it, but I'm gonna try to get it. Anyway, so this is a lip contour stick. It is in the color Trophy Wife. So that's what it looks like. And this is a full-size item, which you already know that for $10 a month, this is really cool to get. Like, if I can get only Huda Beauty in my Ipsy package or in my Ipsy glam bag, I would be so happy and so excited. The next item that I got in my glam bag is by Glutamine C. It's a real gel mask. I'm guessing that's the name of the brand. The story behind this gel mask, it says that the thick jelly texture delivers active ingredients deep into your skin. Propolis extract helps the dry skin improve the hydration and immunity level. Vitamin C lowers melanin levels and improves skin texture, resulting in radiant and bright skin. Thick gel texture does not dry out, but delivers active ingredients deep into the skin. Thin and non-irritating cellulose sheet mask coats the skin with active ingredients and leaves skin feeling smooth. So this mask is a mild peeling, well, it comes with a mild peeling finger pad. That's step 1, and that is for skin types of dry skin and combination. So this doesn't work if you have oily skin. It's also best for hydrating and brightening and contains vitamin C derivative. And then the second part of the gel mask it's for, again, dry skin and combination. It's good for dryness and darkness, and it contains, damn baby, I'm filming. So good. And it contains vitamin C, derivative honey extract, and propolis. Oh god, I just pronounced this perfectly. Propolis extracts. Propolis extracts. So that is the mask. I'm very excited to try this. I love receiving skincare. So a quick summary of what Ipsy is. It's a subscription, a makeup subscription, and this is for people who don't know what it is. So by all means, if you know what Ipsy is, skip through this part of the video. But Ipsy is a makeup subscription. It's $10 a month, and you get 5 items in your glam bag. A glam bag is something like this, like a small makeup bag. So this is what they call their glam bag. And inside this bag will be 5 items that they basically decide on your opinion. So as soon as you sign up for Ipsy, they give you this survey, and on the survey you click all the things that you like. And I mean by all the things that you like, things such as your favorite colors, what kind of products you use, what kind of skin type do you have, what you don't like, so things like that. So honestly, for me, Ipsy has been worth it. I've gotten items, and even though sometimes they're sample items, sometimes they're full-size items, like the Huda Beauty contour stick that I got this month. That's amazing. It's well worth $10 this bag. So I can't even begin to express how this is awesome, especially, and I always say this, especially for girls who are just starting off with makeup, not sure which items to buy, which items work well with their skin. This is the way to go. It's only $10 a month. You don't have to break the bank with this, and you get things that you can use all the time. So I really do love this bag. And just again, every Ipsy bag has a theme. So the theme for this month's bag, May of 2018, is Go There. So that is the theme. This is a postcard that comes with it, and it says, Hey Ipsters, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Raquel is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking up this beautiful day. Why are we here? At Ipsy, we're obsessed with self-expression, and we found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. Very true. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passports, hopped on the red eye to London, and took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea, and ate too many croissants. We captured every step of the way so we can all share it with you. Check out our journey, learn more about our May Glam Bag picks, and see tons of travel-inspired Ipsy tips and inspo on Ipsy mobile app. Then start planning your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a road trip, a beach vacay, or you're ready to trek across the globe, it's time to go there. Safe travels. So that is the Ipsy message, and honestly, I love reading these cards. Like, sometimes I speed it up on my video just because of timing, but I really do love the message. I think that's what makes Ipsy a great company. Now that I wrapped up what's in my Ipsy bag for the month of May, I'm excited to share with you guys a little bit about my graduation. Like, I can't lie, like, I have to gloat, I have to sit there and tell you guys about it because it's an amazing experience. Like, graduating college is not easy, it's not something that everybody can do, and I'm so proud of myself. So please do not mind me. I'm gonna gloat a little bit and tell you a little bit about my graduation day. The first thing I'm going to do is share with you my graduation cap that I decorated myself, which I was so excited about. Like I said before, I graduated with a degree in, sorry, this is hard for me to do on camera, but I graduated with a degree in childhood education. I love children, I love teaching. It's something that has inspired me for many years now, and I'm very good at it. So I'm going to show you my graduation cap that's inspired by my teaching. This is my graduation cap. This cap was inspired by something that I saw on Pinterest, actually, with the little apple. So this is my cap. It says Miss Peralta on it, and it has a glittery apple that I created and cut out myself, a bow that I gemmed up with the 2018. These pearls. Actually got everything that I used for this hat on Michaels. This is my tassel that I actually purchased separately at my college. And yeah, so that's my graduation cap. I love this. It is so cute. Should I put it on? Let me put my, Wait, it's not gonna stay on. This thing doesn't fit my head. Hold on. I'm trying to see. Okay, it's not gonna stay on, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very cute. I love the look that I did for graduation. I got some extensions. I was all glammed up. I did my makeup full blown. If you want to see that picture, definitely check out my Instagram and my Twitter. I posted it on that. So here's my Instagram and my Twitter. Definitely check that out. It'll be in the description box below. I have pictures from graduation and all that good stuff. And plus, I do post mini makeup tutorials. So if you haven't followed me, please do. And what can I say about graduation? It was a very interesting day. Basically, I got there late. My graduation, I was supposed to be there at 8 in the morning. The graduation started at 9. I didn't get there till like 8:30 because I was just taking my sweet old time because I didn't want to be standing in heels. And I ended up having to walk. I kid you not. I ended up having to walk from like the highway, because it was in this Coliseum. I had to walk from like the highway to the entrance of the Coliseum on a humid, crappy, like really ugly day outside, and I literally had to walk in heels. And by the time I got into the Coliseum, my hair was a mess. I couldn't breathe. My family was stuck in traffic outside because it was just so crazy. It was the first time that my college decided to do it at the Coliseum because we had over 1,500 graduates that day, so they couldn't fit it in the university, which is where we usually do it. So yeah, it got a little crazy. But besides that, even though graduation is kind of a drag because you have to sit there and wait for 1,000 and I don't know how many names to be called, and it's by degree, and the teachers were called last for whatever reason, so I sat there and I waited patiently until they called my name. I'll try to like put in a little clip of them calling my name. My boyfriend was like the videographer of that day. He did a really good job, so I'll show you guys a little something if I could sneak it into the video. Don't kill me if I can't. And that's pretty much it. So basically the reason I wanted to share that with you guys, it's important to me to let people know that there's going to be a lot of challenges that, I don't know how to explain this, but I want my viewers and I want my followers to know that in life there are going to be a lot of roadblocks or a lot of challenges that try to prevent you from reaching your goal. And your goal doesn't have to be graduating college. College is obviously not something that's for everybody. However, what I do have to say, and that I don't hear very often, honestly, give it a try and like run straight forward to your dreams. Don't stop, don't give up, and don't let anybody tell you that you're not good enough, because you are, and you're the only one who has to believe in yourself. You don't need anybody else to believe in you, because half of the time those people who don't believe in you or try to bring you down end up you know, failing or behind and end up hating on you. So basically what I'm trying to say is that believe in yourself, go run towards your dreams, and don't let anybody stop you. And once you reach your dreams, nobody can stop you, no matter what they say about you. So remember that. Bye guys, make sure you subscribe.